Hello there, my name is Elle. I am the Customer Success Manager here at Weet, and I would love to invite you to come along with me on a quick demo of the product. All right, let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to navigate to my homepage. From there, I'll click Create Weet. The Weet creation page populates, and from here, I've got some options. So I can add a virtual background. I can work from San Francisco or the beach or the rainforest. I've also got some filters. I can toggle my camera on and off right here. I can toggle my audio on and off right here. And then I've got some additional mic and video settings right here. Also, I can share my screen or add a fun little background. So I will add the beach for this. And let's record our first tweet. So here is my button to start recording. So I'll hit that. You'll see a little timer countdown, and then I'll record my message. I'll say, hello, testing. And then I just hit that same button to stop. I'll mute this, and it's gonna ask me if I like my video. So I'll hit yes. So you can see I've got one section. I just recorded a section. I can add as many sections as I want. I just keep hitting this button to start and then again to stop. For simplicity, I'm gonna keep it at one section. From here, I will simply name my Weet. Here, I'll name it Elle's Weet. Yay. And then lastly, my last step is just to invite users. And I can invite as many people as I want. There's no limit. And I am done. Boom. That is it. Next, we're going to talk about collaboration with Weet, different interactions we can have. Thank you so much. Hi there. So now that we've learned how to record a Weet, we're going to learn about how to collaborate with Weet. So you will see I'm in one of my Weets right now. I've navigated to it. I want to point out to you this interactions section to the right. It's very important, and it's what sets Weet apart from other simpler screen share and video message platforms. So you will see that my colleague Ashley actually commented on my Weet, and that comment is timestamped. So in this particular example, Ashley commented at 36 seconds. So I know that whatever she's talking about is referring to the information at the 36-second mark. Additionally, when I respond to her, it's kind of nested under her comment. Also, you're going to see we've got some emoji reactions down here. So as my Weet plays, I can react differently. You know, thumbs up, I can smile, I can clap, sad face even, and those are all also timestamped. So those are just two of many ways that you can use Weet to collaborate. Thank you so much, everybody, and happy Weeting.